Natural disasters can strike without warning, leaving communities devastated and struggling to rebuild. Whether it's a hurricane, flood, or tornado, the impact is immense. In the wake of such destruction, recovery begins with cleanup, removing the debris to make way for rebuilding, restoration, and a return to normalcy. At Rotochopper, we're proud to be a part of the solution. Our grinders play a vital role in disaster recovery, helping communities get back on their feet more quickly and safely. With the ability to handle everything from fallen trees to large debris piles, we bring the right equipment to meet the challenge head-on. In 2024, Rotochopper assisted in hurricane debris cleanup in the southeast United States, where our 1,200 horsepower horizontal grinder went to work. Its rugged design and unmatched power make it one of the most efficient machines in its class, ensuring quick and thorough processing of even the toughest materials. Built for durability and performance, this machine is equipped with tracks for superior mobility across challenging terrain. Its aggressive design and powerful feed system quickly pull in massive loads, ensuring continuous operation without slowing down. The result? More material processed in less time, making recovery faster and more effective. Beyond the machinery, Rotochopper stands out for its expertise and factory direct support. Our team is dedicated to ensuring that every machine operates at peak performance, offering reliable, ongoing technical support to keep your equipment running smoothly whenever you need it. When natural disasters strike, the road to recovery is long, but with the right equipment and the right team, it can be made a little easier. Rotochopper is here to help communities and businesses clear the way for a brighter future.